franchises here in the country? Are they going outside more of Manila on the provinces mostly?
Yeah, you know, a lot of franchises here in the Philippines, especially here in the Vismin, their goal is not just to grow in Vismin, it's actually growing all over the country. But later on, they're then looking at growing internationally. That's why we're here in the Visayas. Some of the best brands are here actually in the Visayas, and we're encouraging them to franchise, not just to expand more in Cebu, but expand nationally and internationally.
How do we go from a local brand to expand internationally?
I think it's mindset. Stop thinking so small. A lot of brands that we work with, and it's a lot of our members, sometimes you want to expand in a new country. They actually think, I will just target the Pinoys there. But no, you target the locals. Even if there's 4 million, 5 million people in the US, Filipinos, but there's 300 million Americans and other citizens. So make sure you have a big dream and invest in that dream. Don't just go with the first person who wants to franchise you. You go and find the right partner. Invest in visiting the country. Invest in joining the shows. Invest in marketing and finding the right partners. Kasi that's what will get you to be bigger.
Sir, what's the selling point of the Filipino brands mostly?
The big selling point of the Filipino brands is one, we're tested in a market where the spending power is low. So imagine you then transfer to a place where the spending power is higher. But secondly, and equally important, is our agility. You know, some of these big brands, the American, European brands, they're so big, they move too slow. Tayo, you know, we're in 1, 2, 3 countries. The fact that we're small is an advantage. It's not a disadvantage because we can move faster, we can adjust better. And maybe the third is just because one of our advantages is when we enter a market where there's many Pinoys, they will automatically go to us. But as I said, don't just rely on the Pinoys. Don't target them. Target the mainstream.
Do we have data on how big is the local entrepreneur that has gone global?
Yeah. So far, when we count, there's about 30 brands that have gone international. 30 brands. Of course, the top of mind of that is Potato Corner. It has hundreds of stores in Thailand, hundreds in China, and all over the world. They're in about 20 countries. Jollibee, the Max Group. But what's fantastic is we're seeing the next generation of brands expand. Shawarma Shack, which is just a kiosk franchise here, opened in Singapore. You have Avocadoria, who started her business during the pandemic. Now she's in Singapore, she's in Thailand, and continues to grow. So that's what's fantastic about our industry. You know, even the small brands can gain international scale in a very quick way.
Wow.
Invite ka lang.
Sir, we would like you to invite the people to
Yes.
come. Okay.
You know, every one of you who's exploring to get into franchising, if you have a business that you want to franchise, so you want to learn how can I scale up like all these big brands, you know, tomorrow, August 1, we have a seminar, how to franchise your business in Summit Galleria, you know. Please come. Learn from the experts who help scale these brands. But if you're a franchisee, an entrepreneur, you want to start and buy a franchise so that you don't have to start from scratch. Come here in the Philippine Franchise Association, SMC side, for franchise negosyo para sa Visayas. Ang dami. There's so many franchise brands here. Meet some of the top franchise brands, not only from the Visayas, but all over the country. And bring them here to the Visayas or wherever you're from.
Thank you.